In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the navigation bar on Google Sites. This is a fantastic trick for those of you looking to streamline your site's appearance or simply want to keep certain pages out of immediate view for your visitors. Let's dive right in and make your Google site exactly the way you want it. First off, you're going to need to access your Google Sites dashboard. To do this, start by signing into your account. Head over to the Google Sites website. Here you'll see a sign in button, click on it. Now you'll be prompted to type in your email address. Go ahead and enter it, then click next. Following that, it's time to type in your password. Once you've done that, click sign in to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get to your Google site. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new site directly from the dashboard. However, if you're here to edit an existing site, simply click on the site you wish to edit from your list of available sites. This will bring you into the editing interface of your selected Google site. Once inside your site's editor, look for the Pages tab. This will be your gateway to managing the visibility of different pages on your site. Click on Pages to open up the list of all the pages your site currently has. Now for the main event, hiding a page from the navigation bar, find the page you wish to hide in your list of pages. Next to the page name, you'll notice 3 dots indicating a menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up a menu of options specific to that page. Within this menu, you'll find the option Hide from Navigation. Go ahead and click on it. This action will immediately remove the selected page from your site's navigation bar, making it not directly accessible to your site's visitors through the main menu. And just like that, you've succeeded in hiding a page from the navigation bar on your Google site. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a significant difference in how you manage the content and layout of your site. Remember, though hidden from navigation, these pages are not deleted or inaccessible. You can always re-enable them in the navigation bar by going back into the Pages menu and selecting to show them in navigation again. This technique is particularly useful for pages that you want to share only with specific people, or for pages that are under construction and you're not yet ready to unveil to the world. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Whether you're looking to simplify your site's navigation or just wanting to keep some pages out of the public eye, now you have the knowledge to do so. Happy site building!